A healthy diet should include high-protein foods. Anyone who is looking to get in better shape needs to find a diet that is going to work for them, and all diets need to be rich in certain nutrients that everyone needs to have in order to be healthy and strong. There are 3 macronutrients that are important for our survival: protein, carbohydrates, and fats, and we all need to have certain amounts of these macronutrients in our diets. A typical diet for maintaining good health, as recommended by the American Heart Association, the American Diabetes Association, and many other health organizations, should include 35% protein, 15% fats, and 50% carbohydrates. A lot of people are using diets with high-protein foods in their weight loss battle. The protein helps to build and maintain strong muscles, and it is a natural source of energy, great for people who need additional energy for working out. Bodybuilders also use diets that include lots of high-protein foods. No matter who you are, it is important to get enough protein in your diet, without getting too much. Speaking with a nutritionist will help you figure out what you need to have in your diet, and you can plan a diet that will work for whatever your particular needs are. High-protein foods for building muscles. If you are interested in weight training to get in shape and want to build bigger, stronger muscles, you may want to consider switching to a diet that is loaded with high-protein foods. When you are trying to build your muscles, you need to make sure that you are getting the right nutrients in your diet, and it is especially important to have plenty of protein. There are all kinds of high-protein foods that are recommended for diets that are used by many bodybuilders, and these foods are not only great for building muscles, but also just for your overall good health. Many people who are into bodybuilding want to gain weight, in the form of muscles, very quickly, while losing any excess body fat. It is not a good idea to eat foods that are high in protein but also high in saturated fat, which can lead to high cholesterol levels and other health problems. The protein foods in these diets should be complete proteins, meaning that they contain all of the essential and non-essential amino acids that our bodies need, whether we are trying to build muscle or just want to maintain good health. Some of the best high-protein foods for bodybuilders that do not have high fat content include eggs, low or non-fat dairy products, fish, poultry, lean red meat, soy, and other beans. Eggs. One of the best, if not the best, source of dietary protein is the egg. Here is a food that is a complete protein and is low in fat and carbohydrates. To ensure that you are not getting too much cholesterol, you may want to avoid the yolks and just eat the egg whites, which is still loaded with protein. Low or non-fat dairy products are loaded with protein, and because they are animal proteins, they are complete proteins. Everyone should include some source of dairy in their diets, but it is important to make sure that the dairy products consumed are low or non-fat, which is much better for you. Fish. Just about every kind of fish is loaded with protein, so you can enjoy a variety of meals, including baked salmon, haddock, tuna, and more. The fish that has the highest protein content are sardines, trout, and salmon. Not only is fish an excellent source of protein, it is also full of omega-3 fatty acids. For many people, fish is much easier to digest than other high-protein foods, such as beef. Poultry. If you are looking for food that is high in protein but low in fat, poultry is the choice for you. Poultry is lean meat, and the best and healthiest part for you is the white meat, or the breast. Not only is poultry good for you, it is often much less expensive than fish and red meat, and it is relatively easy to prepare many different delicious meals. Lean red meat. If you want to have a great source of protein, but a meal that is not high in fat and calories, you can have it when you eat lean red meat. A small, 7-ounce serving of lean beef steak will provide you with almost all of the protein you need for an entire day, and it is diet-friendly, even for weight loss diets. Soy. Soy is the only plant-based protein that is a complete protein, and it is a very healthy choice for everyone. It is a popular source of protein for vegetarians, and because it is so versatile, there are many delicious meals that can be made using soy. Other beans. Just about every type of bean is loaded with protein, and most are excellent for all types of diets, from those for bodybuilders to diets for people who are trying to lose weight to diets for people who are just looking to maintain their good health. Kidney beans are an excellent choice, and just 1 cup contains 14 grams of protein, nearly half of the daily recommended amount. These are just a few of the many delicious dietary sources of protein that can be used by bodybuilders, and anyone who wants to add high-protein foods to their diet without adding too much fat, carbohydrates, cholesterol, and calories. Protein supplements for high-protein diets. Many people, not just bodybuilders, use dietary supplements to make sure that they are getting the proper nutrition. Protein supplements are popular because they are great for muscle recovery following workouts and provide energy to get through the workouts. Protein is necessary for every cell in our bodies, and supplements can provide what our diet sometimes cannot. If you are looking for a protein supplement that will be good for all types of diets, including a weight loss diet, then you may want to try a liquid protein shot. Protica has a few products available that may be just what you are looking for. ProfectR and ProasisR are both liquid protein shots that provide 25 grams of protein in each serving, but are low in fat, calories, carbohydrates, and cholesterol. and they come in all kinds of delicious flavors, so you won't mind drinking them at all. For more information about these liquid protein shots from Protica, you can find them online at www.protica.com.